This is the AUXITO 10-pack of 194 type automotive LED bulbs. There's no real sense in opening the package here because you can pretty much see everything you need. Right here you have the two connections. They're on both sides. Each side has two LEDs. The top has 4. The opposite side of it has 4. The other side has 2. And the top has 2. So that will promote 360-degree light out of these bulbs. Now, these 194 type bulbs are very, very common in vehicles. These can often be used for the glove box, for the map lights, sometimes the dome light, door lights, courtesy lights, license plate lights, and even marker lights, usually in the rear of the vehicle. All depends on your car. You can look up and see exactly which type that your car takes to ensure that these will fit. These lights are non-polarity. Like I said, there's connections on this side and the other side. Doesn't matter which way you put it in, it's going to work. Period. There's no putting it in and saying, oh gee, it's not working, and then you got to pull it back out and turn it around and that. These will work the first try every time, and they put out 6,000 K light. They're also 3 times brighter than the standard halogen bulbs. And another nice thing, here is a halogen bulb. This one is used, but it still works. If you take a look here, they're almost the identical size to the halogen bulbs. So they should fit pretty much any socket on there. So let's go ahead and install these. I'm going to put these in the map lights in a 2003 Toyota Camry. Let's go out to the car. So here are the map lights in this car. You can turn it on. They're halogen. They work. But we're going to replace them with LEDs. All you're going to need is a flat blade screwdriver. And you just sort of get in the groove here and pry down carefully. Okay, we'll pry about like that. And now we'll try in here. That doesn't seem to buy us much. We'll go up in here and try back over here. There we go. Now it's coming down there. And you just have to work this out. There we go. We're getting somewhere. Like that. That's coming down. And now we should be able to just sort of wiggle and pull it out. If you can see, there's little pins where this mates up to. You can see all the little holes and stuff like that. So it's very simple like that. You just sort of work it out. You do want to be careful. This particular car is old now, so these plastics are not as pliable as they once were. But now the bulb is right here. You're just going to grab that and wiggle it out. May be tough to get in there. It is a little bit of a tight fit. You can also use your screwdriver. Careful not to scratch the chrome there, or the reflector. And we're just going to work this bulb out. You can also try a pair of pliers to get this out. It's really not very difficult. It's just hard to get a grip on it is really all it is. Let me work on this for a minute. The bulb pulls straight out. That's all there is to it. So I just got the bulb loose. It pulls straight down, and you see how it has a broad side and a flat side like that. So just remember, the flat side like this goes front to back of the vehicle, simple like that. Now you're going to take your new bulb and install that by simply pushing it up into the socket. Just wiggle it, and it should push up in there. Just like that, right in. You can test it before putting the cover back. There we are. Perfect. Now, just as a comparison, big difference in the brightness. This will definitely be nice when you drop your keys or you drop your anything else on the floor and you need to find it at night. That's going to make a huge difference in the amount of light. Now we'll go ahead and shut these off, and we'll put the cover back. Just sort of get it lined up on the pins like that, and push carefully. That's it, and it works. I'll change out the other bulb, of course, as well, and I'll show you the difference. In seeing how the first one went together, it may be easier to pry over on this side, and we can pull that down like that, and now pry up in here to get the pin disconnected, and then again it should just pull right out over there. Once again, a little bit of the tight quarters to get to the bulb, so I'll work that out and replace it. And now with them both replaced, really that's going to throw out a tremendous amount of light. So a very worthwhile upgrade to your existing lighting from AUXITO. These 194 type bulbs are a direct fit, direct replacement, and can fit many, many different sockets on a lot of different vehicles. So it's a nice and inexpensive upgrade. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link to the manufacturer's website where you can find the item available for sale. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.